What if you could make real money online, working remotely from anywhere in the world? In this video, I'm going to show you a legit remote working jobs platform that actually pays even if you're a beginner. No scams, no fake promises, just real opportunities you can start today. So stay tuned, because one of these jobs could completely change your income. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Now, let's get started. Today, we explore Lionbridge, a genuine work-from-home opportunity that pays real money. Lionbridge is a global localization and data services company offering remote part-time roles across language, testing, and content tasks. Common part-time tasks include checking search results for relevance and quality against specific guidelines. Data generation and tagging are frequent assignments, labeling images and text to train machine learning systems. Mobile app testing and linguistic quality assurance require following test plans, reporting issues, and verifying fixes. Other project types include translation, transcription, content creation, and localized marketing tasks. Many assignments are short and project-based, while some roles provide ongoing part-time work depending on demand. Lionbridge lists roles that accommodate various skill sets, from language experts to technical testers and content reviewers. You choose your hours. Typical part-time commitment ranges from 10 to 20 hours per week. Flexible shifts allow contributors to accept tasks that fit evenings, weekends, or short daily sessions. Pay varies by task complexity, language, and market. Lionbridge pays contributors through established payment methods. Treat assignments as small contracts. Accurate, timely work helps you secure more opportunities and consistent pay. Lionbridge provides payment details and schedules in project descriptions. Always confirm terms before accepting work. Overall, contributors report reasonable remote income for part-time hours when following guidelines and meeting quality standards. Lionbridge supports more than 350 languages and operates with contributors in over 5,000 cities worldwide. The company employs over 6,000 people across 25 countries and serves clients in diverse industry sectors. For 25 years, Lionbridge has provided localization, language services, and technology-enabled solutions to global clients. Forbes consistently recognizes Lionbridge as a top employer and industry leader in localization and language services. This scale and reputation indicate organizational stability and a sustained demand for language and data services. With clients across sectors, there are varied projects that match different skills, experience levels, and language expertise. To apply, create a contributor profile, select relevant project pools, and complete any required qualification tests. Preparation helps. Review sample tasks, understand client guidelines, and practice test exercises before attempting qualifications. Contributors use community forums and documentation to troubleshoot, exchange tips, and stay informed about new projects. If you value flexible part-time remote income and meet the requirements, Lionbridge can be a legitimate option to explore. Always verify project details, expected hours, and payment terms in the project listing before accepting work. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.